Imagine opening ChatGPT and it already knows exactly how you work. You don't need to explain anything again. That's a custom GPT for you. One that knows your writing style, knows your business, knows exactly how you want things done. And I will show you how to build one in this video only. Normal ChatGPT is like a blank slate every time. Custom GPT is already trained for one job. For example, you can build a custom GPT that writes Instagram caption in your style, or one that answers customer questions for your business, or one that helps you study for your exams. Over 3 million custom GPTs have already been created and people are using them for everything. So before we jump in, you should know that creating custom GPTs requires a ChatGPT Plus plan. That's $20 a month. If you already have Plus, perfect. Let's build a GPT. Go to chatgpt.com, click on apps and then GPTs. Then click create on the top right. You will see two tabs. Create is easy but limited. Configure gives full control. Click on that. Now give your GPT a name. Don't write my GPT. Be specific. Add description and detailed instructions. You can even use ChatGPT to write better instructions. Add conversation starters. Upload knowledge files so that your GPT can learn from your style. And turn on the compatibilities you need. Simple, right? Once you are done, click on create. Select only me first to test. And then save it. Now your GPT is ready. Run and test your first GPT and make changes if necessary. One GPT means one job. Test it with real prompts, and whenever it goes wrong, fix the instructions. Most people mess this up. They try to build one GPT that does everything. Just keep it simple, keep it focused, and it will work way better than you expect. So yeah, this is honestly the easiest way to use AI properly. So what are you going to build first? Tell me in the comment section. And if this video helped you, you know what to do. Just subscribe our channel, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.